Hey, what's going on, guys? If you have a older 5.3 V8 Chevy motor and you ain't changed the spark plugs in a while, and you can't get the spark plug wire off of the spark plug to change the spark plug or whatever you're trying to do, just if you try twisting and pulling and all that mess and it ain't coming off, just spray the wire right here with WD-40. Spray all in there, and then wait a few minutes. Come back with some pliers. Make sure you put it around this the metal thing, metal protector. I don't know what it's called, but pull straight out, and then this little rubber protector in the metal will slide up about this far, and then you'll be able to see the little boot that's attached to the spark plug. And then it'll look just like this. You see how it pulled up, and then you can see this little metal piece. You spray that with WD-40, it'll be attached to the spark plug. Then you wait a few more minutes, come back, pull straight out and twist. It'll come off real easy. And then do it in reverse just to put it back together. All right, that's all, folks. I figured I ain't seen a video on this on YouTube, so I figured it out, so I figured I'd put one on there.